Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore archived posts to Instagram profile. So let's say that you have a few posts that you move into the archive, but now you want to move it back into your profile. So I can show you. First, you need to open the Instagram apps and then go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top, and here choose your activity and then scroll down until you find. Okay, so here is the post that I've been moved into the archive. If you guys want to move it back, you can just click on the post, for example this one's right here, and then click on the three lines icon at the top of the post and click on show on profile. Okay, so this is the question, so you can just click on show on profile. Okay, so the post has been restored, and now we're going to go back to my profile to see the post. Okay, so this one's right here. No, the post has been back into my profile. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can restore the archived post to your Instagram profile. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do click on the thumbs up icon and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.